Are you tired of the limitations of the basic version of Wondershare Filmora? Do you crave the full potential of this powerful video editing software? Look no further, for we have the solution. Introducing the Wondershare Filmora Crack, the key to unlocking all the advanced features of this software. With the Filmora Crack, you can access premium video effects, royalty-free music, and stunning motion graphics. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video editor, the Filmora Crack will take your content to the next level. Forget about time constraints. With the Filmora Crack, you can export videos of any length, with no watermark or annoying notification. Impress your audience with high-quality, professional-grade videos that showcase your creativity and skills. But wait, there's more. The Filmora Crack is easy to install and use, and it's completely free. Save money and time by unlocking the full potential of this amazing software today. Download the Filmora Crack now and start creating great content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos and helpful tips.